like comment, follow Pacific Auto. This massive comparison in complex driving scenarios actually helped the winner realize the toughest competitor isn't others, but yourself. And it also gave a wake-up call to many in the industry. This is the third smart driving comparison jointly hosted by Pacific Auto and Tongji University. The participating models are all top sellers in China, both in volume and in assisted driving features. Conclusion: 4 cars got perfect scores this time. And they all use the same assisted driving system Huawei Kunlun Smart Drive. Many assisted driving reviews exist, but edited shows get doubted by users. That's why Pacific Auto went live this time, cutting out any editing tricks. After all, what users really want is to see genuine performance. For cars have Huawei Kunlun Smart Drive ADS. When GM8, GGR7, Lantu Ziyin, Avita 06. The tests focused on AEB, city, highway assisted driving, and assisted parking for key areas. As mentioned at the start, the 4 Huawei-equipped cars didn't just excel in one area. But that's tough, since this comparison covers more scenarios. Test speeds were higher. For example, nighttime glare with child on road at 120 km per hour. And all 4 Huawei cars still handled it perfectly. Other models only handle evasive maneuvers up to 100 km per hour. And in cases like rear-ending e-scooters, nighttime flipped cars, or disappearing vehicles ahead. Chinese cars also dodge accurately, and their evasive speeds are higher than others. This really matters, since most sudden incidents happen when cars are moving fast, sometimes even at the speed limit. Chinese cars' performance gives confidence to handle emergencies smoothly. This shows more realistic test scenarios, reveals assisted driving competition's essence. Hardware stacking and spec shows mean heavy investment, but real-world tests actually prove if those efforts pay off. Let me give you a clear example in this comparison. Some models' computing power reached 2,000 tops. But in actual tests, they couldn't achieve results like the Chinese brands did. While it seems surprising, that's actually how it should be. This brings up a more crucial issue: self-developed tech. All participating models have self-development, but in completeness and depth. Huawei Kunlun Ads leads. Huawei Kunlun Ads has mastered core tech from LiDAR hardware to perception, decision-making, and control algorithms, which forms a fully self-controlled and deeply integrated technology loop. Other models' assisted driving solutions often have a patchwork approach, causes compatibility issues between components, hardware, and software. So that explains why some cars with good computing power still fail the AEB rollover test. Different hardware and algorithms rarely align. Vision-based target detection, or with LiDAR or millimeter wave radar, the weighting is different when you combine them. So you can't make effective decisions and multi-level verification. For objects outside the whitelist, limited learning and no redundant safety algorithms to fix errors. Cars crash in complex situations. Huawei's Kunlun intelligent driving has none of these issues. First, it uses multi-sensor fusion, not just relying on cameras for pure vision sensing. LiDAR, cameras, and radar work together. Second, self-developed systems have redundant safety and unified algorithms. No execution differences between hardware and software from compatibility issues. That means it can make reasonable decisions in different scenarios. Huawei's Kunlun intelligent driving effort is intense and on target. This really gives a wake-up call to those still chasing hardware specs. Of course, Huawei cars didn't win first for the first time in Taipingyang's smart driving test. In the first half of the year, Kunlun intelligent driving also got top scores in the tests. The results from both times have crushed doubts about Huawei Online. One difference: the first half test car used Huawei Kunlun intelligent driving ADS 3. The second half used ADS 4. Compared to ADS 3, ADS for optimized gate island passing, parking without spot selection, mixed lane driving, and Vehicle S are real-time environment rendering. All these features are reflected in the way it's implemented across different aspects this time. So right now, this system feels more and more like a seasoned driver and its improved ability to handle these scenarios, truly outpacing Huawei's Kunlun Smart Drive. This shows full-stack self-development benefits, control, constant upgrades. After all, Huawei Kunlun Smart Drive can deliver a major update every year. 6.38 billion kilometers real-world driving data and 3 million active risk avoidance records. These accumulated data show the full-stack approach brings better experience, efficiency, and user popularity. ADS 4 is doing well now, but ADS 5 is already in development. I believe it will bring an even more impressive experience. Just for the ADS 5 version, the investment is around 10 billion yuan. That's a huge scale. From this comparison, Huawei Kunlun Smart Drive's performance and R&D investment are obvious. Car makers or Huawei Kunlun Smart Drive. Safety always comes first. It's not just a slogan. It's the force driving technology forward. Huawei Kunlun's smart drive keeps pushing the tech limits to raise the bar for safety. This constant self-improvement reshapes Huawei's smart driving image and prioritizes real results over numbers. Self-development is key competition logic, reminding peers to focus on tech essence and user needs to drive progress for the whole industry. Have anything to add? Comment below.